PBSkids.org is a website that I use in my classroom. There's lots of good videos, there's games, and just it's a fun website for kids. Um, Even my 9-year-old, he likes to get on and play different games that are on here. Because there are different levels of games. They're not just for little kids. My in my class, I like to watch like if we have, a little time or just need something to calm us down, I pull up a Sid the Science Kid video and we watch Sid the Science Kid and we ask ourselves questions of why we explore the world around us and why does something happen the way it does. And Sid the Science Kid does a really awesome job of like getting them engaged in their thinking strategies of why. How can we do that? How does that work? Um, and my another one my kids like to watch at school is Wildcrats. Um, but they also have that they can go to this website on the iPads. And after I've safely shown them how to get around on the iPad and being able to pull pbskids.org up on our iPads, they're able to manipulate this website and find what they're looking for. Um, there's so many videos, there's so many games. It's just and it relates to them because they go home and they might watch Curious George at home. So then they can find Curious George games. There's alphabet games. There's different science games. They give you the different categories of new, popular, science, social studies, reading games. And then there's harder games, like ways for the older kids. Um, I think this is a great way to get the kids engaged in the technology, but using it as an educational resource as well. Um, so I like it as an adult because I like to be able to find them videos. There's also, you can log on as a parent and kind of see, they can give you resources and ideas of what to do with your children, how to help them in different situations. And it's just all around a good website, something appropriate for our kids and a way for them to connect to their life outside of school.